So what I've got here is a 16 by 34 wooden wagon. Now the reason I went this route, buying a wagon, and then what I'm going to do is like convert it into the tote, is because of this running gear with the front steering here. This does fit width-wise. The cooler is a bit longer, so it'll hang over about 4 or 5 inches with the cooler I have. And it doesn't really sit in here nice, so that's why I'm going to take this deck off. I will reuse it, but that's why I'm going to make my custom plywood one. Some of you are kind of wondering why I'm doing that. So once we got all the running gear off, let's call it, we're ready to cut the plywood. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take measurements of the cooler itself, and then I'm going to add 3/4 of an inch to each side, because I'm going to make little, I don't know, probably 4-inch rails around it, so the cooler can't actually slide off, and that's what we're going to do. So once I lay out all my biscuit joints, which I've had, I like to just verify like what size biscuit joint I'm going to use. And what I found with my 3D printer is a STL file that is a biscuit joint gauge. If you guys have 3D printers, I'll put that link in the description. But it's actually pretty cool because you can actually see, one, where they will land. Like that's a 0. That's what a 20 looks like, so obviously bigger. And you can actually trace it out and see where that cut's going to be. And the other thing is you can see where it will be on the actual piece itself for the thickness. So see here, it's a little tight, but I can get away with a 20. Now I've been in situations where I can't use that, and I've actually gone through. So if I had this, that would have saved me. I've laid everything out, so now I'm ready to start biscuit joining. And I've put, I'm going to put 3 in each side. And then, like I mentioned, I'll screw up as well, so this thing's going to be bulletproof. And there it is, the finished cart. So as you can see, I've used this quite a few times. I've used it almost every weekend over the summer, camping and whatnot. And it's one, a great conversation piece. Everyone loves it. And two, it's awesome because it goes pretty much anywhere you want it to go. It's a little top heavy, but I'm gonna add some straps just to kind of strap it down. But all in all, I'm very happy how it turned out. And as I always say, if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.